Alright, today I am playing Rail Connect. Judging by the name, I think I have a rough idea of what it is. Oh, wait, use the arrow keys on PC or swipe on mobile to move blocks in the direction of the empty space. Okay, can I use WASD? I can. Okay, I kind of swiped there without exactly reading it. You can't really pick which block to swipe, that's annoying. What? Hold up. Okay, that worked. I did it. It was just kind of confusing for a little bit there. But I got there in the end, and that's what really matters. Why can't I slide this one? Because it has cotton on it? Alright, that seems fair, I suppose. Not really, but still. Gotcha. That was a... Okay, here we go again. Okay. No. I'm doing some stuff over here, then I get no. I really don't like how there's some that you can't move. Okay, I'll figure it out. Oh, that was very straightforward, but I was distracted. I went on a goose chase for the missing patch here on the side. I don't know. Stuff happens. It's fine. It worked quite well, if I do say so myself. Well, this is where it gets a tad confusing. Okay, that's that. Now I gotta get this over here. I will figure it out. There we go. Nailed it. Because I'm brilliant or something. What? 'Cause that one was a bit easier than the last one. Whatever, I got it in the end. Not exactly what I was going for, but I've ended up here. Okay. Okay, maybe if I do that and then fix it at some point because it's a mistake. This is going to be irritating. Yeah, I don't exactly know what I'm doing. And if I can just get that there, but I need this piece still. So who knows? It's a mystery for now. Can I just like teleport the sand up there? Okay, at least I have a rough idea of what I want to do. Yeah, that's not working for me. I will figure this out though, for I must. Never mind, accidentally did it, we're good. What have we got here? A mystery. Okay. That worked, I guess. Okay. Let's finish this level and leave it off there, because although this game is pretty damn good, and good time killer at least, it is murdering my brain. Too much thinking in one day it's not a good thing, probably. I mean, that's a complete and utter guess, but still. I'm gonna take my word on it. Oh, that was quick. Well, that's a pretty good game. Pretty good. Hang on, let's go back. Right, that was Rail Connect. I'm gonna check how many levels there were. Oh, there's 50. Yeah, that's good that I finished off at 10 then. Because I don't think I want to do 50 levels. Like, it's a good game, but, you know, that's excessive. Anyway, if you liked it, like it. If you have any suggestions for other games I should play, leave that in the comments. And if you want to see more videos like this, go ahead and subscribe. I'm a Skedaddle. See ya!